Hi, Jeff Spira here again, and today I want to talk to you about a boat of mine called the Bahia. It's a Mini-Panga and useful out in the ocean and rougher water. It's only 12 feet long, though. It's the smallest in a series of Panga styles that I have, going from this one is the smallest, 12 feet, all the way up to 26 feet. This one was built by Juan Perez who lives in Florida, and he's using it in the Florida Keys. So he lives in South Florida and spends a lot of time in the Keys. And it's a great little boat for that kind of water, out in the ocean. Let me take a look here at the. It has a useful load, or a total load, of about maximum displacement of about 850 pounds, and you knock off 150 pounds or so for the hull weight, and you're down to about 700 pounds or something like that. Knock off another 100 pounds for motor and gear, and I think this one has an 8 horse on it, but motor and some gear on it and some fuel, and you're down to about 600 pounds and something like that. 550 would be a good estimate for the amount of load it can take. Well, that's 2 adults. That's 2 big adults, in fact, and so it would be good for that. And in this case, it's got Juan, and I think it's his son in there. It's a grown son, and he has a cooler full of ice for bringing the fish home, and probably a few adult beverages stashed in there as well. So and some fishing tackle, and they're going out fishing in it. So let's have a look at it and tell me what you think. Well, what did you think? Pretty impressive looking to run along the ocean there. So if you like this and you would like to download free study prints, just go on my website, spirainternational.com, and look under the Pangas section, and there's each of the Pangas you can download the free study prints for them, and take a look at how they're constructed and what the bills of material is and things like that. So anyway, if you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe. It's really the best way to help me out on this endeavor of giving you these great videos. And be sure and leave comments below if you'd like to say anything about it, or you'd like to bring up any points, or have any questions or anything like that. I love to read them, and I love to respond. So anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you again soon.